The drilling sequence for a CAMLOG progressive-line implant, diameter 4.3 mm and length 13 mm. The round burr is used for punch marking the cortical bone, which simplifies the use of the drills to follow. In the process, the spherical tip of the round burr is lowered to the equator. The pilot drill determines the depth and axis of the implant site. The depth marks on the drill correspond to the implant lengths 7, 9, 11, and 13 mm. For safety reasons, a depth stop corresponding to the planned implant length should be used. Once drilling is complete, the depth and axis of the implant bed is checked using the paralleling pins with depth marks. The further drillings are drilled with the form drills. Diameter and length-specific form drills are available for each implant size. The form drills included in the surgery sets are supplied with a color-coded, removable depth stop. Depending on the specified drilling depth, the hole diameter is expanded progressively with the series of form drills until the intended implant diameter is achieved. Form drilling 3.3 mm. The small graduations in diameter achieve a gentle preparation of the bone. Form drilling 3.8 mm. All CAMLOG progressive-line implants come with a self-tapping thread. The implant is inserted manually or by machine into the coronal section of the implant bed using the insertion tool. The CAMLOG progressive-line implants Promote Plus are machined over 0.4 mm in the neck section and can accordingly be placed 0.4 mm supracrestally. When reaching the planned insertion depth, one of the three grooves should face in a vestibular direction because the angulation of the abutments starts from a groove. After successful checking of the implantation depth as well as the position of the grooves, the insertion post can be separated from the implant. After removing the insertion tool, loosen the screw inside the insertion post with the screwdriver hex and remove the insertion post with the forceps or by hand. Pick up the implant cover screw with the screwdriver hex and insert it into the CAMLOG progressive-line implant manually controlled. The implant cover screw must only be tightened manually controlled using the hex screwdriver.